Okay, those things, that invocations and all we will not do. Okay, the price. These things we will not do. These things will be taken care by architecture and design like lead system architects. Okay. You understand it. They will give you an application which is everything configured, like the basic things, how actually they're creating a case, how to create a new application. They will do everything and they will give you some kind of stories, like they will give you to modify something on screen, like that. You understood right. Yeah, you just try to launch an application. Let's see. Is getting cases getting created? On the top header you have a launch portal, right? Top header. Yeah, click on the launch portal. Click on user portal. Cosmos application. Yeah, click on the plus icon on the left side. You have plus right, left side, extreme left. Yeah, you are. Now you are logged in as an user. Now this is how the user portal looks like. You know, user is trying to place one order. Okay, you understand. You can click on the plus icon and click on new order. Okay, this is a case type name. If you observe, the case type name is coming here. Okay. We have just created a life cycle. We haven't configured any properties, any fields data. We haven't configured. Let's see how it is coming. See you are directly into collect delivery info. If you see your application life cycle, see the create got skipped. If you saw on the top header, the create you have given is never right. Yeah, so that one got skipped. Okay, you are directly into collect delivery info. You can see the step stages on the top. You haven't configured anything here, the UI sections and all. You haven't configured it, so you will not get anything here. The delivery info step in your case does not have any view. Any view in the sense. Any section is not defined, so you cannot see. Yes, and the case type you can see on the left side right, N1001. That is an order ID. On the top UI ID. Yeah, that is your order ID. When you try to create one more order, it will create one more order ID. Okay, you can try to click on create and click on new order one more time. It will create next order ID. Okay, this is that will be a unique identifier. If you click on that advance, it will go to the next stage. Yeah, after this step is also done, it will go to approval region. See, you haven't configured anything here. You have just given up to reject the shape instead of collect information. You're getting it at approve buttons and reject buttons, everything. Cancel button. You understand how it is coming with our configuration, because you have chosen up to reject, while developing a case type, the flow you have given the project. If you saw in the flow, you have that shape right. Yeah, so that's where it is coming. Okay, you need not want to get everything. You can write some comments here where you are approving or where you are rejecting some kind of comments, and you can click on approve or reject. Okay, now, if you have approved it, it will go to payment info. Okay, payment info is also not configured. It will not come, but what if you have rejected there? Have you? Have you developed the rejected scenario? No, right? No, go to that lifecycle. In your designer studio. You have right-click on that. It used to be a Pega Studio on the top. No, the previous year. Go to Lifecycle. Yeah. If there is an approve or reject, if we talk through. Yeah, you can click on that stage. Yeah, no, just click on the step approve, reject. See, you are getting some conflagrations. Whether it is a single level approval or multi-level approval, who has to approve? You can give your manager's name here. It will go for manager or you only can approve. Okay, if you go to flow, yeah, click on the flow. See here you're getting. If approved, then continue. You can set a status like order approved or something like that. If rejected, yeah, you can give your own thing. No order. Hyphen approved status must always be like hyphen. Order hyphen approved or order hyphen rejected, like that. Okay, if rejected, then you here is getting a resolve. Okay. Now you just you just save this one. Don't change, save and the status is like resolved, rejected. Go and create a case and reject this. Let's see whether it's behaving like this or not. Go and create a case and just reject it and the order ID you observe. The order ID will get changed. Okay, like case ID. Okay, N003. We just resolve here. Next time. Yeah, you just reject here. Okay. No, don't approve. See the status on the left side. Yeah, it is all rejected. You see the status it was and it was. It actually doesn't went to payment info. If you observe, this one doesn't. This one doesn't went to payment info. Next stage. If you approved, it has to move to next stage, right? But it hasn't moved because you have configured as it has to resolve. You see, on the top. You go to the Designer Studio will change the conjugation there. Approve reject. Click on Approve reject. If rejected, if approved, then it's fine. If rejected instead of resolved, you just click on the resolve. Change state. Here it is asking for which stage it has to change here. What do you have to do? Approve. You click on again change state. Approval rejection. Is there an alternative stage, the below alternative state, it is coming right approved. If you choose that one, it will change to that stage. Okay, and you can change the status, like you can change the status like you are going to approve. Approval, rejection rate, change order or something. While you are rejecting. You are rejecting because some kind of order is not available, right? Yeah. Okay, then you can do some related status. Okay, these statuses, what the flow, how the flow has to behave, what status each step must have, everything business will tell you. Okay, you suppose it is a banking project. Everything the banking side business will tell you what must be the stage, how a flow should behave. Okay, yet what stage it must go to approvals it? What? What must happen if you rejected it? Okay, everything. Business will tell you business and the clients will tell you, based on the client requirement, you have to configure the application. Okay, thank you.